Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can remove a green screen from a video in CapCut PC. So to do that, you're going to firstly obviously get a green screen here. I'm gonna select, which one should I select? This one? What is this? Just like a chair? Oh, it's not. Actually, let me select this one. So on the green area here, I'm just going to go to the remove background section, select chroma key, select the color picker, and just select the green area. You're then going to adjust the intensity, the shadow, and you can even feather the edges or clean it up. But this is a pro feature. And yeah, that is it. You can overlay it on top of videos if you'd like to. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.